The new Ethernet patch panels allow quick and easy connection in the field.
Ethernet patch panels are the compact interface between network cabling inside and outside the control cabinet. In the covered wiring space, the choice of either screw, push-in or IDC fast connection makes the installation of the field cable easier. Providing strain relief at the same time, the cable shielding is connected quickly and without tools. This saves a lot of time during installation. Variants with integrated surge protection and shield current monitoring protect the system and increase system availability. The benefits of the patch panel can also be found in the new Power over Ethernet injector family. With up to 60 watt power, they provide PoE-capable devices such as cameras with both data and power with just one cable.